Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once more. I want to use this to tell you about this special homemade remedy. But before I continue, have you subscribed to my channel? If you've not done so, please kindly hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and equally like the videos as a motivating factor for me, you know. Then equally keep some comments. Should you like the video? Should you want improvement? Please tell me more about it. Before I go back to the video, I have to peel this. I have to peel it off. That is done. I've peeled it off. This is what it looks like. I'm going to chew this. If I have cough or bronchitis, I'm going to chew this bitter kola. I will chew the whole bitter kola and I will take it for some days. I will chew it first thing in the morning and last thing before I go to bed. I may chew it for 2 to 3 to 4 days. Depending on how serious the cough is, it may last up to 1 week. I'll just be chewing this first thing in the morning and last thing before I go to bed every fateful day. Let me take a bite of this to know. I can equally chew it even if I don't have cough. It's so bitter and so medicinal. But this will help to clear my throat. It will clear my throat whenever I chew it. And it's so medicinal, But if you've not subscribed to my channel, as I said earlier, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell. Like my videos. I will equally appreciate useful comments. Should you be asking questions? Fine, drop them as comments for me and I have to answer your questions. Equally share this video with friends and family. Should they want natural remedy to clear cough and bronchitis? Just share the video with friends and family. It will be useful for someone out there. Thank you.